Ready to turn your home into a haunted masterpiece? Whether you're going for creepy chic or straight up spooky, we got the best Amazon Halloween home decor ideas for 2024 ** that will make your neighbors do a double take. But before we dive into the thrills and chills, quick question. Who else decorates more for Halloween than Christmas? Or is that just us? Drop a comment if you can relate. Don't forget to subscribe for more decor ideas. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Number 1. Elevate your home's fall vibe with these 4 PCS Fall Decor Thanksgiving garland lights. Each garland spans 10 feet, featuring 20 LED lights that cast a warm, cozy glow, perfect for creating that festive ambience day or night. The vivid, lifelike maple leaves add a rich autumnal touch, while the lights offer steady, flashing, and off modes to suit any mood. Battery-operated, these garlands are perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, from tables to porches to parties. Made with flexible, weather-resistant materials, they're durable enough to last all season. Bring warmth and style to your Thanksgiving decor with these must-have garlands. Number 2. Ready to take your Halloween decor to the next level? This terrifying groundbreaker zombie prop is the ultimate scare. Its detailed face and arms make it look like it's crawling right out of the ground, creating a spine-chilling atmosphere for your yard or haunted house. The glowing eyes and loud, creepy sounds activate with nearby noise, ensuring it catches everyone off guard. At 68 inches wide and made of durable materials, it's perfect for both indoor and outdoor setups. Add this horrifying touch to your Halloween party and watch your guests get spooked. Batteries not included, but screams definitely are. Number 3. Transform your home into the ultimate haunted house with these soft spider webs. Covering up to 900 square feet, these ultra-stretchable webs are perfect for creating that spooky, abandoned look indoors or outdoors. The best part? Each set comes with 30 lifelike fake spiders to make your decorations even more chilling. Whether you're throwing a Halloween party or just scaring trick-or-treaters, these webs will add the perfect eerie touch. Stretch them across windows, walls, and furniture to create realistic, creepy cobwebs that set the mood. Plus, they pair perfectly with other Halloween decorations like skeletons and pumpkins. Make your space the ultimate Halloween vibe with this must-have decoration. Number 4. Looking to take your Halloween decorations to the next level? Check out this 12-foot inflatable ghost with 3 skull heads and a bleeding eyeball tombstone. This thing is massive and terrifying. It'll transform your yard into a haunted masterpiece. The built-in LED lights make it glow in a creepy red hue, perfect for spooky nights. Plus, the high-powered blower gets it fully inflated in just 2 minutes. Durable, waterproof, and reusable, this inflatable is made to last year after year. Whether for a party or just to scare the neighbors, this is a must-have for any Halloween lover looking to make a statement. Number 5. Looking to take your Halloween decor to the next level? This 9-foot Halloween willow vine twig garland is a game changer. With 72 LED orange lights and 48 spooky black maple leaves, it instantly adds an eerie glow to any space. The bendable branches let you customize it. Drape it over a mantle, wrap it around a doorway, or shape it into a creepy wreath. Plus, the 8 flashing modes and built-in timer make it hassle-free. Just set it and forget it. Battery-operated and waterproof, it's perfect for both indoor and outdoor setups. Whether you're hosting a Halloween party or just love the spooky season, this garland is a must-have. Number 6. Looking to light up your Halloween in a fun, spooky way? These 20 LED Halloween pumpkin lights are perfect for creating a festive atmosphere indoors or outdoors. With 8 different lighting modes, you can switch from a steady glow to spooky flashes, giving your setup that extra Halloween magic. And the best part? They're battery-operated and waterproof, so no need to worry about weather or finding a power outlet. Plus, the mini pumpkins stay cool to the touch, keeping your decorations safe. Whether you're decorating a garden, patio, or even a party, these versatile lights will add that perfect Halloween charm. Number 7. Looking to cozy up your home this fall? The Quique 3D pumpkin throw pillows are the perfect way to add some autumn charm. Made from soft PP cotton, They're not only comfortable, but also lightweight and breathable. These pumpkin-shaped pillows are perfect for decorating your couch, car, or bedroom, bringing a touch of festive warmth to any space. Plus, they're super versatile. Use them as a cushion while reading, or simply as a decorative accent for Halloween and Thanksgiving. Just give them a fluff when they arrive, as they come vacuum-sealed, and you'll have the cutest fall decor in no time. Perfect for country-style lovers, or anyone wanting to add a pop of seasonal style. Number 8. Get ready to add some spooky charm to your Halloween decor with these lighted ghost decorations. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor setups. They come with LED lights and a timer function, so you won't have to worry about turning them on and off. Whether you place them in your yard, garden, or even at your front porch, these glowing ghosts will create the ultimate Halloween atmosphere. Plus, they're super easy to assemble and designed with high-quality materials to last for years. Pro tip: use weights to keep them secure outdoors. Make your Halloween party unforgettable with these cute yet spooky decorations. And last one, light up your Halloween with these enchanting LED window lights. This 3-pack set features a playful orange pumpkin, a spooky green spider, and a mystical purple witch hat. Perfect for adding charm to your windows. The built-in timer gives you 6 hours of glowing fun followed by 18 hours of darkness, keeping your decor hassle-free. Plus, the slow fade mode creates an eerie atmosphere, heightening the spooky vibes. Battery-operated, these lights are easy to install with suction cups or self-adhesive hooks. Ideal for windows, doors, or even cabinets. Whether you're decorating a bedroom or porch, these Halloween lights will bring festive magic to any space. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. All products by links in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.